Hi, this is Tara with Tara's Tips, terrific ink, paper, and stamps. And today I'd like to show you the New Horizon designer paper out of the new mini catalog. So without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so the New Horizon designer paper is on page 43 of the mini catalog, the January to June. And here it is, it's 6 by 6, and it coordinates with the On the Horizon stamp set and the dies. But you can use it with so many different stamp sets. I'm sure you'll come up with some great ways to use it, and I'd love to see them. I'll show you the cardstock now, the designer paper now. We've got this. It's almost too pretty to do anything else to it because it's just gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I like how some sides look like scenes and others could just be a sky or something else. I'm sure lots of people will come up with different ways to use it. But I'll show you here in a little bit the way I decided to use it, and I liked how my cards turned out. You got that one with that. Yeah. I love that sky looking. So I made some really simple cards. They are, the Horizon paper is cut into 3 by 3, and the black around it is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. The strip of cardstock is 1 1/4 inch by 5 1/2, and it uses the embossing folder time-worn type. And I use the deer dies from the Grassy Grove dies. Let me show you the stamp set and dies that I used. These are, I used this little hill and these weeds, and then I used the deer a lot for the dies. And then for the Horizon ones, I use the Horizon dies, and I use the different sentiments and the trees and the grasses in there. So I've got that one. We're using the deer again. This one uses the gate dies and the sand dies. I love that for the sky. I think it turned out really nice. This is using the Horizon dies as well. And this just uses the stamps. And I just like, you know, that a little bit of stamping dresses them up just a little bit, and makes it a complete card without doing a lot to it. Here I extended the tree line. And all these cards, I used my Stamparatus with that, with a clear plastic sheet, so I knew where I was stamping. And they went together fairly quickly. And you can get 4 cards from one sheet. They won't all look the same because some looks like tops and some look like bottoms, but you can change it up and use one side or the other, and they just make great, beautiful cards. So I hope you have enjoyed checking these out with me. And if you would like to order your own New Horizon designer paper, you can go to tarasyok.stampinup.net. Or you can go directly to stampinup.com and search my name, Tara Syok, to pick me as your demonstrator, and I'd appreciate any orders that you place. All right, have a great day.